Finally, my Lifepo4 battery packs are on testing mode. I will update my full video in parts. Actually, I am currently working, it is not final, so I will upload the whole video later on. So we have now mounted this, and we have used lithium ion BMS just because our inverter supports the highest voltage cutout and lowest voltage cutout programming. So we have changed the settings accordingly. We will update how to charge with this inverter your Lifepo4 or lithium cells. What are the voltage settings for optimum settings? So here's the setup. You can see we are of JCSSUPER brand Lifepo4 cells, and it's a 45 ampere lithium ion ordinary 17S BMS. We have mounted only 16 cells, so we have left one just because we just want to balance them, because these are new cells. It doesn't require balancing. We are testing this and charging and discharging it. Then we will once it will charge and discharge for 3 to 4 days, we will put it on a case and make it like a mountable power wall in this place. In this place we will mount it. So today we are going to, just you can see, we have disconnected our lead-acid batteries. These are a bunch of wires we have connected. This will be removed once the checkup is complete. I am not able to explain how I have connected, but I will try. I have taken 3 of these and 3 from these, plus and minus 2.5 mm wires, and these are going somewhat in the charge controller, somewhat with this plus wire we have connected to the plus, and one from this inverter. It is not able, I am not able to exactly explain just because it is very tricky. There are so many things. They are going some around to that controller, directly connected to this, directly connected to that port is not connected, so it is not able to explain easily. So what we are going to do today, we are going to disassemble all the 4 batteries, and I have checked the voltage. This one and this one is in working order, and these 2 are failed now. These 2 batteries are failed. You can see these are 4 batteries of 150 H. These 2 are in proper voltage, and these 2 are there is a 2 cell faulty, and there is a 1 cell faulty in that lead acid. So we are going to use these 2 and connect them to my secondary inverter, so that when all these setups are failed, this will power my home for some time, around 10 to 12 hours. So let's go ahead and let's get all batteries out. So wait for it. So now we are unmounting all the cells. We have started unmounting. First we have to clear all the space. We have to unmount our wires from solar, then the cell battery we have to disconnect. It will take time. I have done the fast forwarding of this because it is a very time taking process. Likewise, we are unscrewing all. We are now unscrewing our Exide backup inverter battery. We have to unmount all the things. and we have to clear all these. And after checking batteries, I find that the 3 batteries are on perfect order, and one on the last corner, you can see in the last corner you are able to see the battery, and that one is only faulty. We will try to maintain and discharge with solar panels for 2 or 3 days. Hope we can recover that. And so we are going to clean all of them, and we are going to take 4 of Amaron and 1 of Exide and these SAL batteries to be connected. So let's watch this. It's very time taking process. It taken around 1.5 hours to unmount all the screws and cleaning of all the batteries. So this battery is perfect. We'll take side. This one is not good. We will charge and discharge it with solar for 2 or 3 days, and let's see whether it will work or not. This battery is also perfect. It's the BMS wire. We have unmounted BMS wire. We have to take it on one side. These are very heavy batteries. Each battery is of around 60 to 65 kgs, and the Lifepo4 battery what I have made is only of 48 kgs. So the weight is around 1/4 or lesser. This one is the faulty battery. So let's first, we have got 3 batteries in perfect order, and this one is our backup battery. So let me tell you now how you can check whether the batteries are perfect or not. These batteries are kept idle from 3 to 4 days, so these are out state normal state of charge. Now you have to take a voltmeter, set it to 12 volt or 20 volt. You can measure 12 volt. So open the caps of all the caps of a battery and check whether the cells are damaged. You have to take it in consideration, like you have to take +1 here and the minus on the water. You can see the reading. It comes like 6.2, 0.61, and in the last one, when you take the reading, it is 1.2325. So you can see it is increasing 1. So overall both the two gives around 2 volts. Then you have to put this like this, 1.98, overall 2 volts. So if all the battery, all the rest terminals shows the same voltage, like you can see 1.98 on all, and these two are adjoint. Okay, so all are at 2 volts. So these batteries are perfect. Now let me demonstrate how you can check the faulty battery. It is the faulty battery. You can see the voltage here. It is 0.62, and on this side you can see it is 1.44. so it is 2 volts. Then we have to check this. You can see it is only giving 1.08. so this one is faulty. you can see this is on 2 volts, this is on 2 volts. So this or this, any one of these is faulty. So here you can see how you can detect the battery is damaged or cell is damaged or not. Thanks for watching. Finally, we have cleaned all the area and joined all these batteries in 12 volt in parallel to power this inverter as a backup. When this main inverter will discharge, it is now totally powered by a Lifepo4 power bank, or you can say a custom powerwall DIY. So after full checkup, we will install it in a proper casing. So here you can see we have connected all in parallel, and this one to these SLA batteries, and this is the minus, all connected parallelly to the inverter. It is also a solar inverter with 15 ampere, so we are going to add those 2 panels as well with this inverter, so it can charge more faster. Currently you can see this is connected with the panels of 80 watt into 4. So all batteries are on 3.7, and it is also charging with AC with 10 ampere. So in total around 20 to 25 ampere current it is charging it. So you can see this controller is mounted with these panels on the top of my water tank, and we are also charging this battery and hoping that it will also work. But you can see, if you can see, you're able to see 1 2 3 4, this one all bubbling, and this one is all, but this is not bubbling. That means this one is default. So we will try to keep this setup for 3 to 4 days, and let's watch whether it will recover or not. So wait for my other updates. In my next video we will complete the setup, and we will update its first part and then its final, how to create it with a proper BMS. Just because we do not have BMS, we have ordered it from China. So once BMS arrives, we will replace it with a Lifepo4 BMS. Thanks for watching.